Welcome to WebStylePress. To understand what is a happy number, consider this process. Starting with any positive integer, replace the number by the sum of the squares of its digits and repeat the process until the number either equals 1, where it will stay, or it loops endlessly in a cycle that does not include 1. A happy number will always reach 1, while an unhappy number will enter a loop. So let's write a function that checks if a given number is a happy number using JavaScript. Declare a function that takes a number. Initialize a set for seen numbers. This is to keep track of numbers that have already been encountered in the process. This helps in detecting a loop. Loop until reaching 1 or a previously seen number. While loop will continue as long as the number is not 1 and has not been seen before. If it reaches 1, it is a happy number. If the number is seen again, it indicates a loop and the number is not happy. Add the current number n to the set of seen numbers. Then calculate the sum of the squares of the digits. To do that, convert the number to a string, split into individual digits. Use a reduce function to calculate the sum of the squares of the digits. This sum becomes the new value of n. Return the result. The function will return true if n is 1, indicating a happy number, and false otherwise. The process will eventually either reach 1, indicating that the number is happy, or enter a loop, indicating that it's not. By keeping track of previously seen numbers, the function ensures that it can detect a loop and terminate, rather than continuing endlessly. Call the isHappyNumber function and pass the number you want to check. If output is true, provided number is a happy number, as displayed here. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.